Conventional wisdom says paying off your mortgage as fast as possible is the smartest move. After all, debt is bad, right? Not necessarily. In fact, rushing to pay off your mortgage might actually be costing you money. While it's true that eliminating mortgage payments can provide peace of mind, there's a strong case for keeping that debt and using your cash for better opportunities. The key lies in understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt. Mortgages are typically low-interest, long-term loans, and if you have a favorable interest rate, you might be better off investing your extra cash elsewhere instead of throwing it all at your mortgage. For example, let's say your mortgage rate is 3%, but the stock market historically returns 7 to 10% annually. Instead of paying down the mortgage faster, you could invest that money and potentially earn a significantly higher return. Over time, this strategy can grow your wealth more than simply eliminating your mortgage debt. Additionally, mortgage interest may be tax-deductible depending on where you live, further reducing the cost of carrying that debt. By keeping your mortgage and investing excess funds, you maintain liquidity, meaning you have cash on hand for emergencies, new investments, or unexpected expenses. If you aggressively pay off your mortgage and a financial emergency arises, your wealth is tied up in your house, and you may have to take out a high-interest loan just to stay afloat. Of course, this strategy isn't for everyone. If the idea of carrying debt stresses you out, paying off your mortgage early could be the right emotional decision. Additionally, if your mortgage has a high interest rate above 6 to 7%, then it might make sense to pay it down faster. But if you have a low fixed rate and your investments can outpace it, there's a strong argument for keeping the mortgage and using your extra funds strategically. At the end of the day, financial decisions should align with both math and mindset. While aggressively paying off a mortgage provides guaranteed savings on interest, it may not be the smartest move in terms of overall financial growth. The best approach is to find balance, contributing enough to pay off your home comfortably while also leveraging opportunities to grow your money elsewhere. The key takeaway: debt isn't always bad, especially when it's low interest and allows you to put your money to work in higher yield investments.